Did you know that your smartphone has a built-in feature that can help you take a screenshot of an entire web page with just one tap? This is just one of the many hidden tech features that most people don't use, and today we're going to explore 5 of them. Back tap on iPhones. If you have an iPhone, you might not know about the back tap feature. This feature allows you to double or triple tap the back of your phone to perform a custom action. You can set it up to take a screenshot, lock your phone, or even trigger a shortcut. To access this feature, go to Settings, then Accessibility, and click on Touch. From there, you can customize the back tap action to your liking. Customizing keyboard shortcuts on Windows. On Windows, you can customize your keyboard shortcuts to improve your productivity. For example, you can set up a shortcut to open a specific program or folder. To do this, go to Settings, then Devices, and click on Keyboard. From there, you can add new shortcuts or edit existing ones. You can also use the Windows key plus D to show your desktop and Windows key plus E to open File Explorer. Android's built-in screen recorder. If you have an Android device, you might not know that it has a built-in screen recorder. This feature allows you to record your screen and save it as a video. To access this feature, go to Settings, then Advanced, and click on Features. From there, you can toggle on the screen recorder and customize its settings. You can also use the screen recorder to record video calls or gameplay. Mac's Hidden Screenshot Tool. On Macs, you can use the Command plus Shift plus for shortcut to take a screenshot of a selected area. But did you know that you can also use the Command plus Shift plus 5 shortcut to access a hidden screenshot tool? This tool allows you to take a screenshot of an entire window or screen, and even record your screen. You can also use the tool to customize your screenshot settings and save your screenshots to a specific location. Windows 10 Secret Start Menu. On Windows 10, you can access a secret start menu by right-clicking on the Start button. This menu gives you quick access to features like the Control Panel, Device Manager, and File Explorer. You can also use this menu to shut down or restart your computer. To access this menu, simply right-click on the Start button and explore the various options available. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out the link in our description to get the latest tech gadgets and accessories.